Boy, is a rule of law under threat today. So I made a video a couple nights ago discussing how the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Southern District of New York were ordered by DOJ, specifically by the Acting Deputy Attorney General, Amo Bove, to dismiss the case against New York City Mayor Eric Adams. And I was talking about from the reporting that the U.S. Attorney's Office purportedly had very strong evidence against the sitting mayor, indicating that he engaged in serious white-collar crimes. And at the time when I made that video, I recommended that the acting U.S. Attorney, Danielle Sassoon, resign. Well, that appears to have happened today. It appears to have come to a head this afternoon. She decided to step down, resign, what appears to be in protest of this just unbelievable abuse of power by Department of Justice to dismiss a lawful predicated investigation into Eric Adams. It also appears that two other individuals that were associated with that case were ordered back to DOJ, and it sounds like to the Public Integrity Unit or something like that, and they also resigned in protest. So now several high-ranking DOJ officials are out because they saw the writing on the wall, the illegality, the corruption of this order to dismiss a lawful predicated case against the sitting mayor of New York. Well, Amo Bove, as reporting continues to come out, responded to that resignation with a memo basically threatening Danielle Sassoon and her line attorneys, who were also her, associate U.S. attorneys who were prosecuting this case. They've been put on administrative leave pending an investigation. He's threatening to investigate Danielle Sassoon and these U.S. attorneys because they didn't go along with what he and the Trump administration wanted. And you're probably thinking, well, this is a Democratic mayor. Why would the Trump administration care that they're investigating him? Well, this sounds like a quid pro quo. So what is happening is New York City is a sanctuary city. Which means that they do not, local PD will not report their interactions with illegal immigrants to ICE. Well, the border czar today met with Eric Adams. And the quid pro quo, to me, what this sounds like is, hey, us, the Trump administration, will dismiss the case against you so you don't have to face prison time or anything else if you will be more flexible with us and work with ICE to go after illegal immigrants. So it sounds like, you scratch our backs, we'll scratch your back, and we'll help you out and get this case dismissed. It's disgusting. It's abhorrent. It's antithetical to the rule of law. And, thank you, Danielle, and the other line attorneys who stood up and said, no, we're not doing this. Just like the current acting FBI director stood up and pushed back against the White House saying, no, I'm not going to mass fire a bunch of personnel who worked on the J6 case. So more information is going to be coming out. We'll see if there's going to be more resignations and firings. I'm guessing there will be. But it's good to see people pushing back against this outlandish corruption.